Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 8.3 for 6th standard children. Listen children. A sum of money is divided in the ratio of 4:9. So a money which is divided in the ratio of what ma? 4:9, and the smaller amount they are given, which is what? 600. I am going to find out the larger amount. Can you clear this? I am going to find out the larger amount. So the smaller ratio is what? 4, and the larger ratio is what? 9. Here they are given the amount, a smaller amount they are given, and the larger amount that I am going to find out. Is it clear children? See, listen, the first thing, write the ratio and the amount. Listen, ratio as well as amount. Okay, listen, 4:9, the smaller amount is what? 600, and the larger amount I don't know, that I am going to find out. Is it clear? So listen, I can write, let the larger amount be x. Okay, 4:9 is equal to 600 is to x. Okay, product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So product of extreme is equal to product of mean. What is that? 4 into x is equal to 9 into rupees 600. Here I am going to find out the larger amount value. Can you clear this? Now x is equal to 9 into rupees 600 divided by 4. See, I can do this. Listen, I can cancel this 600 by 4. Listen, 600 when I divide by 4, check what is my answer. 4 ones are 4. Balance is what? 20. So 4 5s are 20. Got it? Now drag, you can write that 0. Okay. Then what is the answer for this? 4 ones are 4. 4 150s are. Is it clear? 150. Now what I have to do, this 150 I have to multiply by 9. Got it? Because these two I am going to multiply. What is there in the numerator I have to multiply after cancelling. So 9 zeros are 0. 9 5s are 45. So 4 carry over. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 4, which is what? 13. So what is the answer? 1350. Now listen children, x is equal to 9 into rupee 150, which is what? Rupees 1350. See, this is your larger amount. So I can write the answer. What is the answer I am going to write here? Listen, the larger amount is equal to rupees 1350. Can you clear this children? Can you clear this? Can you clear this? They are given the ratio. The sum of the money is divided in the ratio which is 4:9. See, this 4 is the smaller ratio and this 9 is the larger ratio. See, for the 4 I can, which is given in the question, 600. So for this 9 ratio I am going to find out the amount. So what is that? 1350. Got it? Shall I move on to the next sum children? Listen, if 15 pence cost rupees 240. Find the cost of 9 pence. Okay, pen as well as cost. 15 pen cost is rupees 240. I am going to find out 9 pence cost how much, that I am going to find out. Can you clear this? 15 pen cost is what? 240. Then 9 means how much? So now listen, I am going to write this. Let the missing number be x. Okay. Now I can write this to be what? 15 is to 9 is equal to rupees 240 is to x. Got it? Now listen, product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So 15 into x is equal to 9 into rupee 240. Now listen children, x is equal to 9 into rupees 240 by 15. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? Now listen, I can cancel this. 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 5s are 15. Again, how can I cancel this 240? I divide by what? 5. Listen, 5 4s are 20. Balance is what? 40. So 5 8s are 40. So here I can write 5 1s are 5. 5 48s are 240. Got it? Now what is there in the numerator? 3 into 48. Listen, 8 3s are 24. 4 3s are 12. So the answer is what? 144 is your answer. Can you clear this? Now listen, x is equal to 3 into rupee 48. So when I multiply 3 into 48, what is my answer? 144. So x is equal to 144. See, listen. Now I can write answer. What is the answer? Cost of 9 pence is equal to rupees 144. Got it? Got it children? So the 15 pen cost is 240. 9 pen cost I am going to find out. Write in the proportion. So when I am going to write in the proportion, the product of extreme is equal to product of means. So after all simplifying that, what I can get the answer? The answer to be what? 144. Now I can write cost of my 9 pence is equal to how much? 144. Is it clear children? Now I am going to discuss the 7th sum children. Listen, Mary is eligible for 6 days of leave after working for 9 months. After working 9 months, she is going to eligible for 6 days of leave. And how many days of leave will she eligible after working for 2 years? So after 2 years, number of days leave, how much she is going to eligible, that is I am going to find out here. Can you understand this children? Now I am going to write number of days and leave eligible, that is month. Here, see this. See, listen children, number of days, how much? 6 days, 9 months. And number of days I am going to find out for 2 years. So 2 years means I am going to convert the 2 year into month. Listen, 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 2 years is equal to how many number of months? 2 into 12, which is what? 24 months. Can you clear this? So 24 months. So 24 months, number of days leave eligible, that I am going to find out here. Just here I am going to take the missing term to be what? X. So let the missing term be X. Got it? 6 is to X is equal to 9 is to 24. Got it? Product of extreme, product of mean. So 6 into 24 is equal to X into 9. 6 into 24 by 9 is equal to X. Multiplication 9, when it comes to this side, what? Division 9. Now listen children. See, I can cancel this. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 24. Now listen, 6 into 3 is your X. So 18 is equal to X. So I can get 18 number of days for 2 years. Can you clear this? Now I can write the answer to be what? 18 days be eligible for after working for 2 years. Okay. See, after completing my 2 years, number of days eligible for me is 18 days. Shall we move on to the next sum, children? Last sum. A tempo can cover a distance of 75 km in 2 hours. What distance would it cover in 7 hours? Distance can covered in 2 hours, they are going to cover 75 km. See, in 7 hours, how many kilometers I am going to cover? That is my question. So listen, here write kilometer hours. Okay. Now listen, 75 kilometers in 2 hours. Same thing at distance. See, 75 kilometer for 2 hours and distance should be covered. This I am going to find out this box for 7 hours. Can you understand this? So 7 is to X is equal to 2 is to 7. Now listen children, the product of extreme is equal to product of mean. Listen, let the missing number be X. So 75 is to X is equal to 2 is to 7. Okay. Product of extreme, product of means. So 75 is into 7 is equal to X into 2. Now listen, 75 into 7 by 2 is equal to X. Listen children, here I am going to do the rough column here. Listen, 75 is a odd number and 7 is also odd number, but 2 is a even number. If I can cancel, I can get the answer to be what? Decimal. Okay. Listen, see here, 2 ones are 2, 2 3.5s are 7. How can? Listen, 7 I am going to divide by 2. Got it? 2 3s are 6. Balance is what? 1. Keep a point here and add the 0 here. 2 5s are 10. So when I am dividing 7 by 2, what is the answer? 3.5. Now I can multiply this 75 into 3.5. Listen, 5 5s are 25 to carry over. Because what is there in the numerator? 75 into 3.5. That I am going to multiply here. Listen, 75 into 3.5 is equal to the X value. Got it? Now, 5 5s are 25, 5 to carry over. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 2 is what? 37. Now multiply with the 3. 3 5s are 15. Balance 1. 3 sevens are 21. 22. Now listen. 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry over. 6. 2. See, one digit after you have to keep the decimal. So listen. What is it? 262.5 is equal to the x value. Clear this? Now listen, what is the answer I am going to write? Distance covered. Distance covered in 7 hours is 262.5 kilometer. Write the unit, children, or else you will lose a half a mark. Can you clear this? So this is the kilometer we are going to find out for 7 hours. According to the proportion, just you make the question. Okay. Here 75 kilometer can be covered by 2 hours. See how much of distance can covered in 7 hours. That is my question. So write according to that and simplify that. See 7 when I cancel by 2, which is I can get 3.5. After multiplying this, 262.5 kilometer. See, the total distance covered in 7 hours is equal to 262.5 kilometer. Thank you, children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.